Hi besties, in this particular video I am going to be telling you guys 5 easiest way but very strategic way you can ventilate fast. Are you a beginner? Are you just starting your hair ventilation journey, or you've been doing this for so long but you don't know how to speed up your process? That is exactly what I am going to be telling you guys in this video. These 5 strategies or 5 strategic tips that I'm going to share with you guys now is my secret of ventilating fast. Now, the first thing you should consider is your sitting position. I will never overemphasize on sitting position, guys. You know why sitting position is very important? Yes. Do you want to avoid or having back aches? You don't want to be having any pain while venting on or after venting? Your sitting position matters a lot. One sitting position is not enough. Two sitting positions is not enough. But in all, find a sitting position that suits you. The sitting position that you prefer, that your body system prefers so much. You see that sitting position of bending, you are sitting on a low chair or a high chair, or let me say a low chair, and you are bending, like your neck is bent towards the mannequin head. That sitting position is very wrong, totally wrong. Take it from me, because you end up having back aches. Don't bend towards the mannequin head. Instead, let the mannequin head come to you. Okay, do not be the one to go to the mannequin head. Instead, let the mannequin head be the one to come to you. So do not bend. Find a sitting position that you prefer, sitting position that enables you to freely and joyfully do this without stretching yourself. Okay, if you want me to share a picture or a video of all the sitting positions that I make use of personally, that I'll suggest you should try, let me know in the comment section. Now let's talk about the second strategic tips or secret that you should take from me now that will enable you to ventilate fast. The second one is setting your target. Guys, to set targets or setting your task is very important if you want to ventilate fast. You know why? For instance, you are working on a 4x4 closure less. You know, 4x4, if it's for wigging, it will have the right part and the second part. The center parting will be the one to demarcate it. So set your task. Let me say you say in within an hour I should be able to finish the left part of the base, and then in the next 1 hour I should be able to finish the second part. That is setting your target. When you set your target, what will happen is that you do everything possible to work towards achieving that target. That doesn't mean you should go ahead and stretch yourself. I must finish this in 1 hour, and you end up doing what you're not supposed to do, doing a bad work. No, but setting your target will make it all your mind will be there. No matter what you are doing, you know that you are going to achieve it within an hour, within 2 hours, within minutes. So it will make you to focus on the work and make sure that that target you set is being achieved. I will give you an instance. For example, I want to ventilate a full-length wig, and I know full-length wig has 3 parts, and my target was to finish a full-length wig in 3 days. What does that mean? It means in 3 days I should be able to finish it. So what should I do? I have to set targets. Coming to a full lace, you know that the back side and the center and the front are not same. The center is the smallest part compared with the front and the back. I might be like, okay, you know what, in the one I should finish the back, okay, and small, just little off the center part. Day two, I should be able to finish the center part, moving over to the front side and touch the front side, so that by the time I get to day three, I should be able to finish it up. This is target. Okay, this is me setting target, and once I set this target, I am going to ensure that I finish it. Even if I didn't finish it in 3 days, I will finish it in 4 days, because I was able to set that target. But if you don't set that target, you can simply just go ahead and be working anyhow, anytime you feel like. Before you know it, well, in 1 month time, you're still working on a full list. In 2 weeks, 3 weeks time, you're still working on a full list. So this is what setting a target will do for you. It will encourage you to work towards achieving your target. With that being said, let's go to the point number three. The point number three is you entertaining yourself while you work. Entertainment, I mean, here might be in form of listening to cool music. It might be you watching some movies, as far as that movie won't distract you from what you are doing. For me, what works best is listening to music. I mean, cool music that I love. All those music that I love, I'll just put them in one playlist and keep playing them while I work. Okay, before you know it, I am done with whichever target I set for that day. Okay, use your work with whatever thing that works for you. Any form of entertainment that works for you, that won't distract you from doing it, please do it. If it's watching some movies, fine. If it's listening to music, which I will recommend, fine. Play cool music while you watch, have while you work, sorry. Okay, have fun while you work. This will enable you to ventilate fast. It will enable you to speed up your process. Okay, before you know it, you can see how fast you have come with whatever closure or whatever work that you are doing. Now the fourth point is, guys, this is very important. You have to rest in between. That you set targets that I must finish this 2 by 6 closure today doesn't mean you should start working from morning till night without resting. No, have some rest. Okay, have some rest. You can just get up, walk around the street, walk around, like stretch your body, go out, receive fresh air, and then come back and continue. That doesn't mean that you shouldn't eat. First off, you should eat. Why? Well, when you finish eating, please rest. Do not jump into work immediately. So take your time to rest. In as much as you are trying to achieve your target, still make sure that you rest in between. That is fourth point. Fourth strategic way that I use to achieve my target, thereby speeding up my process. So when I say I ventilate a full list in 3 days, I mean what I said. I mean what I said, because I do set my targets. I do all these 5 points that I'm listing here is what I make use of, that make me to be able. When I see people ventilating full list in 1 month, I'll be like, oh, what? Maybe they are not practicing all this. This is the reason why I am sharing it with you guys now, so that you can start practicing it. Trust me, do this and you see yourself excelling. You see yourself ventilating fast. See yourself making full list in 4 days, 5 days, 3 days, 6 days. Okay, so of 1 month, 2 weeks. Now, the fifth point I'm going to share with you guys, which is the odo of all. Okay, the mother, should I say the father, the one that anchors this whole other points, is this fifth point. So guys, before I say that, if you watched this point and you're yet to click that like button, what are you waiting for? Like, please comment. What do you think about this point that I'm sharing? If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Okay, and do not forget to share with your friends. Now, the fifth point is this: do it for the love. The fifth point is do it for the love. You know the reason why I said it anchors these other 4 points, because if you don't love what you are doing, you will find it difficult. You see it as a punishment. For instance, you can't compare a teacher who teaches students for the passion and a teacher who just teaches students, maybe because that's the only available work opportunity that the person has. Who has that passion of teaching, that love teaching, will do well. The students will relate well. They will love the teacher more preferable than the one who just teaches because this is just the work opportunity I saw. I just have to jump into it. So the person is just doing because that's the only thing about him, not that he actually enjoys what he's doing. So this is it. The difference between you who loves this craft and the person who is just doing it because for the money is totally clear. You will do it because of the love you have for the craft. You enjoy it while doing it. You won't see it as stress. You won't see it as a punishment. But someone who is doing it because just of the money, we see it as a punishment. The person will be like, let me just do it. Sometimes they end up doing what I don't know because they are just doing it for the money. Okay, so do it for the love. This fifth point is what anchors these other 4 points that I've listed earlier on. When you do it for the love, you find it so easy to do, so sweet, you enjoy it. So with this 3 point of mine, I know that I'm able to convince you that these are the 5 valid points you can use to maximize your venting speed, like speed up your venting process. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in my next upload. I love you. Bye.